Welcome back, money makers. Are you ready to take your video intros to the next level? Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning parallax intro in Canva that's sure to add some serious pizzazz to your content. Now, let's get started. Okay, guys, so once you log into your Canva account, you're going to create a blank video. And guys, so the next thing we want to do is go to elements on the left side, and we're going to type in sunset in Paris. Okay, click on photos. We're going to click on this one right here, and then we're going to put it on our canvas and make sure it fits right on our canvas page. Okay, we're going to go back to elements. We're going to type in glitter overlay. Okay, guys, and then we're going to click on graphics, and let's see, I like this one right here. Guys, so we're going to make sure the glitter overlay fix our canvas nicely. All right. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is go to text. We're going to type in intro all uppercase, and then guys, we're going to change the color of this to white. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is just increase our intro and just center it. And then we're going to change the font. I'm going to type in 210. 3D one. So that is the one I'm going to use. Go up to the top, click on effects, clip, and click on lift. Then we're just going to increase the duration to about 80. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is increase the duration down here to 10 seconds below. Okay, 10 seconds. I'm going to duplicate the page below. Do is decrease this size down here to about 15 or so. What we want to do is increase the overlay. So just drag it up to the top. Okay. All right. The next thing we want to do is go to layer, right click, and show in layers. And we're going to click on the photo itself. And so we're going to make the photo bigger. Okay. Okay, guys, so next thing we want to do is go to intro. And notice each time that we click on these items, like for example intro, it automatically goes to intro just like it did with photo. So the next thing, guys, we want to do is we're going to increase the word intro. And the goal is to get the photo inside side of one of the letters of intro or whatever word you chose. So you have to just keep playing around with it depending on the word that you choose. Okay, have that done, you're going to go down here and move the second one to the front. Okay, guys, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is add a transition. Go to match and move, increase it all the way to the top. Okay, once that's done, you're going to go up to the right corner, click on share, and we're going to download as an MP4 video. It may take a minute or two for it to download. Okay, guys, so we're going to drag it over here once it's done downloading. Okay, we see it downloading. While it's downloading, we are going to delete these pages below. Okay. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is put the image on our timeline here, and we're going to go back to the bottom, and we're going to increase the duration to about 60. All right, so just make sure it's even on your canvas page. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is set the photo as a background, and then we're going to click play at the bottom. We're going to let it go to about 4 or 5 seconds and then clip it. All right, so let's split the page. Go down to the bottom and split the page. All right, and then let's delete that page and then play again. And then we're going to split this page and we're going to delete this page, the last page. Okay guys, so now we're going to play, go back and click the play button. So guys, that looks pretty good to me. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification button. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.